We live in times when divisions are growing deeper and deeper. People often do not listen, they just react. They do not engage in dialogue, they simply compete over who is right. This behavior can be subtle, yet it slowly builds walls between us. This kind of polarization causes people to close themselves off and drift apart from each other, creating invisible separations between hearts and minds. And in this growing distance, we see a sad reality. The human feeling, the warmth in our hearts, seems to be slowly disappearing. The coldness of the world today makes us blind to the value of others and pushes us away from understanding. Yet the word reminds us, if it is possible, as far as it depends on you, live at peace with everyone. Romans 12:18. Pause and reflect. In my actions, Gutty, have I been building bridges or merely raising walls between myself and others? In the midst of so many opinions and conflicts, there is something essential we must never forget: empathy. Placing ourselves in someone else's shoes is not a sign of weakness. It is a sign of our humanity and compassion. When we celebrate another's pain or turn indifferent to their suffering, we reveal how much the coldness of the world has reached our hearts. But recognizing this is the first step toward reconnecting with our own humanity. Empathy is what reignites the warmth in the heart, reminding us that every person carries their own pain, dreams, and hopes. It is the small acts of understanding that restore connection and remind us of our shared humanity. The Bible teaches us, "Rejoice with those who rejoice, and with those who mourn," Romans 12:15. May each of us regain the sensitivity that may have been lost, and never let the coldness of the world extinguish what truly makes us human. And may each of us will be able to reflect, searching within ourselves, for the true meaning of empathy and peace.